Does your video feel empty, boring, and not engaging? The problem might not be your visuals. It's your audio. With the right audio, a simple video can feel emotional and professional. In this video, we'll learn how to add audio in CapCut Desktop the right way. Hi, welcome back to the CapCut Desktop tutorial for beginners. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important elements in video editing, audio. Let's get started. There are two ways to add audio to your project. The first method is through the audio menu. Inside, you'll find several options. First, import. Here you can extract audio from video files you already have. Second, yours. This section contains audio you previously saved or favorited, such as music, sound effects, or TikTok sounds. Third, music. CapCut provides a wide selection of free music you can use. Fourth, sound effects. Here you can find various sound effects to make your video more dynamic. And the last, copyright. This feature helps you check if your audio is safe to use, especially for social media uploads. The second method is through the media menu. Import a video that contains the audio you want. Add it to the timeline. Then right-click, select Extract Audio, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. The audio will be separated and ready to use. Great job! Now you understand that audio is not just an addition. It's a key element of great videos. In the next video, we'll explore more advanced techniques to level up your editing. Make sure you follow or subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.